So I'm Birgitta Maybaum and I'm the CEO of Learning Links. So we're an organisation that has been around for almost 50 years now, and at the moment we are reaching almost 4,000 children every year, and these are children who've got trouble with learning. They often also have mental health problems, often as a result of their problems with learning. We also have helped almost as many families as well on an annual basis, and it just means that there are thousands of children out there who may otherwise have struggled with learning at school and may have fallen behind, and those children have also had an opportunity to build their self-confidence and reach some of their dreams and aspirations that perhaps they otherwise wouldn't have.
My name is David Mcsparrow. I'm the principal of Yates Avenue Public School. We had a sizable proportion of our younger students with difficulties in speech, language and communication. It was affecting their ability to acquire early reading skills, and so articulation of sounds, knowledge of sounds was quite poor for some students. So we applied a few years ago for additional support, and Learning Links were generously provided that support to us. Kelly, our speech therapist from Learning Links, she works in combination with the classroom teacher around the needs of the students. So when they're working with Kelly and they come back to the mainstream classroom, their needs are supported in a very consistent way.
So my name's Kelly Marazeki and I'm a speech pathologist at Learning Links. I've been working for Learning Links for 4 years now as a speech pathologist. So in my role, we diagnose and treat children with speech and communication difficulties. So that may include children who have problems with articulating their speech sounds, with listening, with understanding and using language, and also stuttering disorders. And we also help children with more complex social communication needs.
It's really helping us to close the gap of around reading difficulties. Speech, language and communication so important for young children acquiring reading skills, and those that have additional needs, they're being supported by Learning Links, and that's helping us to deliver our synthetic phonics reading program to be a very, very effective method of reading instruction. So one complements the other. When they're working with Kelly, our speech therapist from Learning Links, they're getting the extra support they need to bring into the classroom to be even better readers.
So the partnerships with clubs and in this case with DOOLEYS are incredibly important for Learning Links and for the children and schools that we support. We work in partnerships on a local level, and often the clubs provide the funding that enable the kind of services that we provide. But the partnerships are also a way for us to connect in with the local communities. The clubs often have very good understanding of the local communities. So by working in partnership like that, we can just achieve so much more together.